Hey guys, Nick from CederCreek here today. We're standing in the new 40 CFD front deck cottage that is one of several floor plans that we're going to introduce with decks into our cottage lineup. Hey Tyler.
How you doing? I just walked up to this thing and noticed a bunch of these features. I see you have these full coverage awnings. I see the 100% true gel coat exterior wall. I see these big windows that are famous on the cottage. This thing's nice, man. Yeah, we should go take a look inside. Now heading to the living space, I wanted to also touch on a couple features before we make our way through this all new 40 CFD. One being our 6'10" slide outs. You'll see here I'm sitting on an L-shaped sofa. This also has a hide-a-bed. And one of the most asked about features that I hear about has to be the hidden Murphy pantry.
Now we're also going to look at the bar height table that we've put in. You've got 3 bar chairs. Now in this kitchen, one of the most important items in any RV is the storage. What we've done here, we've put 2 pull-out pantry shelves in every single one of these little units. Look at the amount of storage in that. As we're walking back and continuing the tour of the 40 CFD, you notice that it's got a huge loft area. If you want to bring your grandkids, your kids, if you want to have extra storage, that's what that is for right there. As we make our way back through the rest of the unit, in your bathroom, you're going to notice that you have a one-piece shower, along with your porcelain toilet and plenty of storage in there as well. And make sure you try that out when you're camping. We're going to transition into the bedroom where we're going to give it back over to Tyler.
You're going to see king-size mattress is standard on all CederCreeks, along with a wireless vacuum. You will also notice washer dryer prep. So that is going to be something we offer at CederCreek. Also, you're going to see a lot of different storage in here. It's up top, it's big, it's deep. You will not ever run out of space for your hanging space. You're also going to have folding space. We do have onboard Wi-Fi as well on this unit. That is going to be on your back wall here, as you can see. That is a onboard Wi-Fi system. It is not an extender. So it's a really cool feature that we're offering standard at CederCreek.
Guys, thanks for hanging out with us today and touring the 40 CFD. We're pretty excited about it and we hope you are too.
If you guys want to check out this 40 CFD or any other CederCreek, make sure you get to your dealer's lots. These will be hitting them soon. And if you want any other information on anything CederCreek or CederCreek Cottage, head to www.forceRiverInc.com/CederCreek. Thanks, have a great day.